Hey, what's up, Mythic Crew? Welcome back. So, I've got the tools we need and we're gonna take off the rest of the suspension, see if we can get the transmission dropped today. I'm gonna try to really get some stuff done and let's get to it. Alright, just like the other side, we have the suspension unhooked except for the top hat on the strut. We need to take off a couple interior pieces and then we can drop it all down and take it out. Alright everybody, we've got both sides of the suspension removed. Now I'm actually going to unplug the harness in the engine bay, and I think we're going to drop the engine and transmission at the same time in one of these next upcoming videos. That's all for today. We've got plenty done and we're just about ready to drop the engine and transmission here. Just a couple more things to unbolt. So like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.